Hi guys! Today we're learning how to use ChatGPT voice assistant. First, unlock your phone and open the ChatGPT app. Once the app opens, you will see the main chat screen. Now look at the screen and you will see a microphone icon. Tap on the microphone button to activate voice mode. This allows you to speak naturally instead of typing your question. So just press it and get ready to speak. After tapping the microphone, start speaking your question clearly. You can use your normal voice and language. No need for formal typing. ChatGPT will listen to your words and convert them into text automatically. So just speak what you want to ask. Now when you finish speaking, tap the stop button. This will complete your voice input and lock your question. Make sure your sentence is complete before stopping the recording. So take a second and then stop it. After stopping, tap the send arrow button on the screen. Your voice message will now be sent to ChatGPT as a question. ChatGPT will process it and give you a proper response instantly. So just wait for the answer. And that's how you can easily use ChatGPT voice assistant step by step. It makes chatting faster, easier, and more natural without typing. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tech guides.